I'm a league bowler, been bowling for 30 years. I had surgery on my right shoulder for my rotator cuff, which is in bad shape. The advanced pain management that I received from GW Hospital made all the difference. After a few months, I'm back to bowling again, feeling great, and I'd like to thank everybody at GW Hospital for getting me back to bowling again.
From routine care to life-saving emergencies, we're here for you, the George Washington University Hospital.
Before, the care is in reference to that the shoulders were giving me a lot of aches and pains. It had gotten to the point where I couldn't hardly raise my shoulder. And then the tingling has started, and that went on for about a couple of months. And so my wife suggested we got to get this looked at. So I decided to call and make an appointment, and I went to GW. The sling was on for about 6 weeks. It was about 6 weeks, and then they had built in it was giving me a medicine ball that they have. Technology now is so far advanced that they had it so it was giving me the medicine every hour for pain. So I didn't have to take any pain medicine or anything until that ran out. What made me choose GW Hospital? Because of all the good reports I've heard about it and the medical team that they have. So I decided to go to GW. And I've had a lot of incidents that happened, and I went to GW, and the recovery was fine, and the doctors were great, so that's why I continue to go to GW. That's why I choose GW for my rotator cuff surgery, because of the track record that they have been outstanding as far as I'm concerned. I had both knees torn away, ripped away at the same time in the basketball tournament. Then, come to find out, after the fall, about 5 years later, I had back surgery because of the fall. It had damaged the disc in my back. Went back to GW, had the surgeons do the surgery. They had to cut the disc. Perfect. After that, I learned how to move and everything. Went through that process. Every process that I went through was at GW was perfect with the doctors. So that was I chose to go back for the rotator cuff surgery, and that was fine, great also. The special care that I got at GW Hospital in recovery was a nurse named Mary. And she was there for me. She was very caring and understanding. And being that I just, going into surgery, she explained things to me, made me feel more comfortable. So I appreciate the nurse at GW Hospital named Mary, because she really showed me how to be comfortable in what I was about to go through. She was really, really very nice and very warm. So, I really like to thank Mary at GW Hospital. How's my life changed since the surgery? Getting back to bowling, because I missed it. Relief of pain. Getting to do some of the activities that I couldn't do, like moving stuff around. I like to change stuff around the house. So I got back to doing some of the normal things. Sleeping better, believe me. Sleeping better. I really would like to thank Dr. Zimmer at GW Hospital, my surgeon, who did the surgery on my shoulder. Was awesome. He got me back to where I need to be, and everything he said that was going to take place, it did. So I really, really appreciate having Dr. Zimmer as my doctor. I really appreciate him.